Hi, I'm Dr. Claire Maguire, and this week I want to talk around this idea that, very often as women we don't feel good enough, or we don't feel deserving, or we think that we're not measuring up some way, other people are more successful, and all this doubt creeps in, and it becomes a sort of a habitual way of being, and we just move on from one thing to the next without any moment of pause to reflect and to ask, is that actually true? And so we just sort of get ourselves spinning downwards, so to say, in this whole way of I am not good enough. And it doesn't help. It makes us feel very powerless and we don't trust who we are. So what I want you to do this week is a little exercise, and I want you to really think back over your life and to think of 3 significant events where you actually got over something traumatic, something difficult, something really highly pressurized. And this could be within your work, it could be within your relationships, it could be within a friendship circle. It doesn't matter what it is, but what I want you to do is to really think about, I was in a bad place, I was feeling really low, I was feeling very unworthy, all those negative emotions. And I want you to start to think, but I got out of it. How? What did you do? How did you change your thought processes? How did you act differently? Did you speak to other people? Did you behave in a different way? And really examine what it is that you were doing. And then sort of realize, if you did it those previous times, you can do it again. You have that resilience within you, and you have that capacity within you. So whenever you're feeling a little bit stuck now, and you feel that you do need a moment to empower yourself, to realize that you're this strong and amazing person, this strong and amazing woman, you have that evidence that you've done it before, so you can do it again. Okay, so take the time, really dig deep into this and find those qualities within you and bring them to the forefront now. Okay, so have fun with it, and I will see you next week. Bye.